and it was dominant from the year 2022, but it's been with us since 1923.
Great. Okay,
Great.
well,
Thanks,
thank
everyone.
you all.
Cheers. Bye. Very good. Excellent.
Philip's smiling, that's a good sign.
Your avatar looks very much like Buzz Lightyear. Oh yeah. Very much like Buzz Lightyear.
Utterly, totally modified.
Very handsome.
Keep talking, Sam.
Making friends and influencing people.
It's a happy day's Thursday for me. Excellent skit. Thanks, man.
Yeah.
That was super. We identified so many things that we can tweak.
It was like, oh my God.
I like Philip's kind of changing the focus of the
I'm
topic.
curious about this.
think
Right? I know. I've got
Hi guys. I'm sure the first two to see me, even the most person who sounds annoying is
Super.
It's not. It doesn't make noise.
bloody well done.
Anyone else who's done the survey, come up and
You've done the survey. You can come around.
They're very loud.
Are you
My new favourite use of all of them when they're tired and they're sitting down to try to line out.
Yeah.
I was going to say, or if you're arguing with someone, aggressive talks. Yes, good.
There we go.
No, annoy your friends. Thank you so much. I just want to get thrown out of the university. I don't go to a work at.
Yeah, well, the students on the phone. That's a good idea. Thank you so much.
No problem.
That was like the last thing. I was thinking.
Oh no, so we've got.
I didn't know if no, I just needed someone random in it.
What do you think? This is our first time trying this format. It's like